MG27 Spy. Also known as the flank. Oh, come on folks, Markington! And there's a sight for sore eyes of yesteryear.
Got him in?
I think so.
Zoom in on him.
Modern Flying Club, tent immediately, urgent, please. Up and in, if you can hear me, make your way to the club tent, please. If anybody knows him and you never heard me, please tell him to go urgently to the bury that. Played by Dave Jenson. I can remember seeing this place called, let me see, where was it? Rougham.
Keep it going, mate.
I'll take a bit of stick here. This retrobate standing behind me said he could remember the full story.